In this video, you will learn count higher, say the date, learn month and weekdays, tell the time, and understand prices. Hello, my name is May, and I have a Jessica 6, which requires to know more than 5,000 characters and words. First of all, let's start with the numbers. Number 1, E. Number 2, R. Number 3, 3. Number 4, 4. Number 5, 5. Number 6, 6. Number 7, 7. Number 8, 8. Number 9, 9. Number 10, 10. Our previous videos where we had like 10 words each, and this video we have more than 10 words, and at the end we're going to have a little quiz for you to test your knowledge. Watch until the end and let me know what you want to learn next. One of the important part of the numbers is how easy to write it. Imagine a square grid. Go from top to bottom and left to right. This is the most easy way of writing Chinese characters. There is a specific system for building numbers in Chinese language. If the number comes after 10, which is 10, you will add it. Let's say if you want to say 11, you will say 11. 11 will be 11. If you want to say 20, you will say 20. 20. So R is 2, 10 is 10. That means you will multiply it. If you want to say 33, let's say 33. 33. That will be 33. If the number comes after 10, we multiply it. Let's say 30. 30. 3 multiplied to 10, which will be 30. This pattern continues beyond 100 using bai. Bai is 100, 10 is 1,000. In Chinese language, there is one number that needs special attention, which is R. R means 2. When we want to say there's 2 of something, we would say 2 is another form of 2 when we use it with the measure word. Measure word like 个 and 本. If you're unsure about the measure word of something in Chinese language, you would usually go for 个. Or let's say there is a specific measure word for books. 本. 三本书. 三本书 means 3 books. 个 is most of the common measure words in Chinese language, but there's a certain structure for saying that. First we have number, measure word, and then the noun. So let's say if you want to say 3 apples, you will say 3个苹果. Or if you want to say 3 books, you would say 3本书. That will be 3 books. Chinese language very much connected with the numbers most of the time, and especially the weekdays is very easy to remember only because you just add 星期 week and then you add the number of the day. Let's say you will go for Monday. Monday you will say 星期一, 星期二, 星期三, 星期四, 星期五, 星期六, 星期天 will be the Sunday. It's very easy to remember. The formula is 星期 and then the number, exception of Sunday. Now we will learn how to actually say the month of the year in Chinese language. So it's also related with the numbers. First, you would go for 月. 月 is the fourth tone. That means month. And then in front of 月, so we add the number, let's say 一月, 二月, 三月, 四月, 五月, 六月, 七月, 八月, 九月, 十月, 十一月, 十二月. So you go from 1 to 12 and you add the 月. 一月, January. 二月, February. 三月, March. 四月 is April. 五月 is May. 六月, June. 七月, July. 八月, August. 九月, September. 十月, October. 十一月, November. 十二月 is December. If you want to say which date is it today, day of the month plus 号, 七号. Other numbers, you just go for the number first and then the word 号, which means the date. So how to say year in Chinese? Years, you go for the number and then 年. If I want to say 2025, I would say 2025. 25年, that would be 2025. Format of the date in Chinese language is usually year, month, date. So 2025, May 5th. And in Chinese, it will be 2025年5月5号. Year, month, day is the format in Chinese language. For telling the time, you can learn this sentence. 现在几点? What time is it? 现在 now 几点? What time? Dian is the word that is used for the hour, let's say for the time. If you want to say it's 3 o'clock, you'll say 三点. If you want to say 4 o'clock, you'll say 四点. If you want to say 4 p.m., you would go for first afternoon, the word 下午4点下午4点15分. Here's how we actually ask for the price. 多少钱多少钱多少钱 is how much is it? 25块25 is 25 and 块. An official way of saying Chinese currency, renminbi. Renminbi in yuan is formal. So you would probably be hearing quite a lot more. Now we have a little quiz time and just a few questions. How do you say 10 in Chinese? We will have the answers here and then you choose between those. The right answer will be here. How do you say 25 in Chinese? Here we will have the correct answer for you. Alright, I hope you answered correct. So this is the correct answer. And the next question is, what is the measure word for books? So we already learned the measure words. The measure words are one of the important parts of the Chinese language. And from these, what is the correct answer? What is the measure word for books? Which is the correct way of saying to people? So these are the answers that you can choose from. And the right answer will appear here. How do you translate 2025年? Next question is, how do you say Monday in Chinese? So these are the answers that you can choose from. And the correct answer will appear here. How do you say March, month, in Chinese? These are the answers. And the date of 2025年4月25号. How indicates what? What does it indicate? What's the correct stroke order for writing Chinese characters? And here we will have the correct answer. Most common used measure word in Chinese language is one of these. Yes. And the right answer will appear here.